Hello dear friends, welcome to Certify Me YouTube channel. In this video let us discuss AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner practice questions. Without wasting the time, let's get started. Our first question is, which AWS service provides storage that can be mounted across multiple Amazon EC2 instances? Option A, Amazon Workspaces. Option B, Amazon Elastic File System. Option C, AWS Database Migration Service. Option D, AWS Snowball Edge. Let's discuss each option. Our first option is Amazon Workspaces. This service provides managed secure cloud desktops for remote access, not for shared storage. Second option, Amazon Elastic File System. This provides scalable file storage that can be mounted across multiple Amazon EC2 instances. Option C, AWS Database Migration Service. This service helps you migrate databases to AWS, not for shared storage. Okay. And the last option is AWS Snowball Edge. This is a data transfer service, not for shared storage. So, correct answer for this question is, one second, option B, Amazon Elastic File System. Next question. A company needs to track the relationships among AWS resources. Which AWS service can the company use to meet these requirements? Option A, AWS Trusted Advisor. Option B, AWS Config. Option C, AWS Access Manager. Option D, AWS Systems Manager. Let's see each option. First one, AWS Trusted Advisor provides recommendations for optimizing resources, not for tracking relationships. So option A is not right answer. Option B, AWS config tracks and audits configurations of AWS resources but not specifically relationships. So option B also wrong answer. Option C, AWS Resource Access Manager helps share AWS resources across accounts, not for tracking relationships. So option C also wrong answer. And the final option is AWS System Manager manages and automates AWS resources and tracks their relationships. So option D, System Managers is the right answer. Next question. A company wants to improve its security and audit posture by limiting Amazon EC2 inbound access. What should the company use to access instances remotely instead of opening inbound SSH ports and managing SSH keys? Option A, EC2 key pairs. Option B, AWS Systems Manager Session Manager. Option C, AWS Identity and Access Management. Option D, Network ACLs. So the first option is EC2 key pairs. Use it for SSH access but require managing inbound SSH. So this is not the right answer. Option B, AWS Systems Manager Session Manager. So allow secure audited instance access without opening inbound SSH ports. So I think this should be the correct answer. So let's see the rest of the two options. AWS Identity Access Management. So manages user permissions but not instance access methods. So option C also wrong answer. Option D, Network ACLs. Control inbound, outbound traffic but do not offer secure instance access. So option D also wrong answer. So the correct answer is option B, AWS Systems Manager Session Manager. Next question. Using using Amazon Elastic Container Service, Amazon ECS to break down a monolithic architecture into microservices is an example of option A loosely coupled architecture. That means independent components communicate with each other, providing resilience. Option B, a tightly coupled architecture. That means components are dependent on each other, not suitable for microservices. Option C, a stateless architecture. That means doesn't store client session data not directly related to microservices. Option D, a stateful architecture keeps track of client data between sessions not related to microservices. So option A is the right answer. Next question. A company needs to report on events that involve the specific AWS services that the company uses. Which AWS service or resource can the company use with Amazon CloudWatch to meet this requirement? Option A, Amazon Inspector. Option B, AWS Personal Health Dashboard. Option C, AWS Trusted Advisor. Option D, AWS CloudTrail Logs. So let's see each option. First one, Amazon Inspector. It assesses security vulnerabilities not used for reporting AWS service events. So option A is not suitable answer. Option B, AWS Personal Health Dashboard provides alerts for AWS service health, not for event reporting. So option B also wrong answer. Next see option C. AWS Trusted Advisor offers best practices recommendations, not event reporting. So option C also not suitable for this question. So option D, AWS CloudTrail logs records API calls and events for AWS services useful for reporting. So option D is the right answer for this question. Next question. Which AWS service is used to launch and manage virtual servers in the cloud? Option A, Amazon S3. Option B, AWS Lambda. Option C, Amazon EC2. Option D, Amazon RDS. So let's see each option. Amazon S3 is used for object storage service. AWS Lambda serverless computing service. Option C, Amazon EC2 provides scalable virtual servers for compute capacity. Option D, Amazon RDS managed relational database service. So the correct answer for this question is option C, Amazon EC2. Next question. What does the R stands for in the AWS service Amazon RDS? Option A, reliable. Option B, redundant. Option C, real time. Option D, remote. So RDS stands for Relational Database Service. First of all, what is RDS? Relational Database Service. That means R stands for reliable. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. Which AWS service can be used to distribute content globally and improve website performance? Option A, Amazon Glacier. Option B, AWS Snowball. Option C, Amazon Route 53. Option D, Amazon CloudFront. Let's see each options. First one, Amazon Glacier. Long-term storage not for content distribution. So option A is wrong answer. Option B, AWS Snowball. Data transfer service not for content distribution. So option B also not suitable. Option C, Amazon Route 53. Content delivery network, that is CDN, that distributes content globally. Sorry. Uh, Option C, Amazon Route 53. DNS service not for content distribution. So option C also wrong answer. Option D, Amazon CloudFront, that means content delivery network CDN that distributes content globally. So option D is the right answer for this question. Our next question. What does the acronym IAM stand for in AWS? Option A, Internet Access Management. Option B, Identity and Access Management. Option C, Infrastructure Authentication Model. Option D, Intelligent Authorization Mechanism. So the correct answer for this question is option B, Identity and Access Management. Our next question. Which AWS service provides automatic scaling and management of containers? Option A, Amazon EC2. Option B, AWS Lambda. Option C, Amazon EFS. Option D, Amazon Elastic Container Service. So let's see each option. First of all, option A, Amazon EC2. It is a virtual servers not specifically for containers. Option B, AWS Lambda, serverless computing not for containers. So A also wrong answer, B also wrong. Option C, Amazon EFS. It is a scalable file storage not for containers. So this is also wrong option. So last one is option D, Elastic Container Service, Amazon ECS. It manages and scales containers. So option D is the right answer for this question. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think